Bar 1, section 3. We're gonna do our cardio section again, and then we're gonna go into our leg section. So sometimes I'll be facing the bar, and sometimes I'll turn to face the camera just so that you can see what I'm doing. We're gonna start wide second, sink down low into that grand plie, little jumps. 4, 3, 2, 1. Grand plie, kick that right leg back. Four, 3, 2, 1. Back to center, sink it low, jump. 4, 3, 2, 1. We're gonna switch it left. Grand plie, kick it left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to center one more time and we jump. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh. If you add all these together, we've now done that 3 times, once each section. We're gonna come to our leg section now. So we're gonna come, first position, heels together, toes apart. We're gonna rise up onto the toes, glue the heels back together so they touch. We're gonna come down to demi-plie. Mid-plie in that first position. I'm gonna face the bar. Demi-plie, hips tucked under. We're gonna take it down an inch, up an inch, down an inch, up an inch, little lower, little left. 16 times. Four, 3, 2, 1. We're gonna take it just a little bit lower. So you're gonna sink just a little bit, tiny little bit lower. Pulse, pulse, and pulse. Let the knees come out. Keep those hips tucked under, shoulders back and down. 16 counts. 4, 3, 2, 1. We're gonna stay in this position. This time as we pulse, we're gonna take the knees back. You're gonna press them out. Pulse press, press the knees out. 16 times. 4, 3, 2, 1. We're gonna sink it low again. This time, stay down low. In, out, in, out. Bring the knees together and then take them out. Take it as low as you can. 16 times. Legs will shake. 4, 3, 2, 1. Release, little release. We're gonna go back in reverse. So we're not gonna do the in and out again. We're already gonna come down, pulse press. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, heels together, sink it low, pulse, pulse, and pulse. 4, 3, 2, 1. Embrace that shake it so hard. We're gonna turn back here, back to down an inch, up an inch. Little lower, little lift. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ooh. Shake it out a little bit. We have another leg section. This time we're gonna come to wide second. So we're gonna come wide, feet wider than shoulder width apart, toes turned out, rise up onto those toes. We're gonna sink down low. Same thing as before from the start. Down an inch, up an inch, down an inch, up an inch. 16 times. Four, 3, 2, 1. Stay low, little pulse, pulse, and pulse. 16 counts. The lower you can go, the harder it is. 4, 3, 2, 1. Staying low. Ooh. Short release. We're gonna sink down an inch. Press out, lift up, press out, lower, press, lift, press. 4, 3, 2, 1. For this next one, I'm gonna actually face the bar so that I have some stability as I go side to side. Standing wide second, on those toes. As we lean to the left, lower that right heel. As we lean to the right, lower the left foot. We're gonna go side to side, nice and slow. 4, 3, 2, 1. And then we go in reverse again. So we're gonna keep those heels lifted, sink down low, take it down an inch, press out, lift up, press out, lower press, lift, press. You're trying to keep those knees out to the back, tuck the hips under, shoulders back and down. 4, 3, 2, 1. Slow, keep it low. Little pulse. 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it down an inch, up an inch, down an inch, up an inch, little lower, little lift. Let those legs shake. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, release. I'm gonna stretch out the tops of my feet a little bit. I'm gonna press my foot into the floor. Just counteracting all that stuff that you do on the toes. We do have one more section for legs. Here we go. We're gonna hold on to that bar, everything together. So feet together, walk so that you're actually pulled off that bar. Feet are right underneath those hips. We're gonna sink down like we're sitting in a chair, pulling off that bar. Hips are tucked under. Take it down an inch, up an inch, down an inch, up an inch. We're gonna keep the feet flat right now. 16 times. 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna adjust my feet a little bit. I feel like they're a little too far back. From this position, we're gonna take it down an inch, lift the heels, lift up, lower, down, lift, up, lower. 4, 3, 2, 1. Heels are lifted, keep it low. Lower and lift the heels. Lower, lift, lower, lift.
4, 3, 2, 1.
4, 3, 2, 1. Heels are flat this time. Still in that chair position. Take it all the way down, halfway up, all the way down, halfway up. Hands are slippery. 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna shake it out a little. We're gonna go back down, because now we're gonna do everything in reverse. Seat down. Flat right now. 16 times. Four, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, we're done with cardio section and legs. So usually we like to stretch this out. You can stretch out however you like, or you can follow along right now. All right, I'm gonna stand feet parallel, hip width, circling those arms up and over the palms together, floating down through center, in prayer position. Come to my forward fold, setting my feet into the floor. Go out, fold to the backs of the legs. Walk the knees right and left. Allow my hands forward. Step my left foot forward. Anchor that right knee into the floor. Now press my right hip forward, feeling that stretch through that hip flexor. Inhale. Exhale, I'm going to push my glutes back. Left leg long in front of me. Foot is flexed, toes to the ceiling. Holding from that hip flexor, keeping that back nice and flat as I lower that chest to that knee. Inhale. Exhale, push the hips forward again, back into that modified runner's lunge. You can stay in this position, or you can reach for that back foot, pulling the heel to the glute, pressing the hip forward, feeling that stretch through that quad into that hip flexor. Inhale. As you exhale, release that foot. We're gonna lift up into forward facing triangle, both feet forward, hips squared forward. Holding from that hip flexor, keeping that back nice and flat. Inhale. As you exhale, step that left foot back to meet the right. Back in that downward dog position. We're gonna step the right foot forward, anchor that left knee to the floor. Right ankle in line with the right knee. Left knee anchored into the floor, pressing that hip forward, feeling that stretch through that hip flexor. Inhale. As you exhale, push those glutes back. Right leg long in front of you, foot is flexed, toes to the ceiling. Folding from that hip flexor, keeping that back nice and flat. Inhale. As you exhale, push the hips forward again. You can stay in modified runner's lunge, or you can reach for that back foot, pulling the heel to the glute, pressing the hip forward, feeling that stretch through that quad. All the way to the hip flexor. Inhale. As you exhale, lifting up, both feet forward, hips squared forward, folding from the hip flexor,
Keeping that back nice and flat. Inhale. As you exhale, step the right foot to meet the left. Walk the hands to meet the feet. We're gonna bend the knees, sitting down on the floor. Cardio on legs, bar 1, section 3. See you next week for Fitness Friday.